I'm going to show you in this video how to sew a quick and easy belt at home. This project can be done in less than no time. If you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. Hello, I'm Juliet Uzor of sewsonatural.com, and if you are interested in creating your own clothes, owning a style and showcasing them shamelessly and fearlessly for everyone to see, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button. This quick DIY project is so quick and easy and anyone can do it. All you need to use are these D rings. They come in different sizes, they come in different colors. I love the gold ones, and they've also got, I purchased some from my local shop when the shops were open. These belts can be made using any type of fabric that you wish to use. However, I do recommend the use of fabrics with a bit of body. So mid to heavyweight fabrics will be ideal for creating this belt, and it's nice to have them in a variety of colors. I would actually like to create one using some animal print fabric, because animal print is a neutral, isn't it? I like creating these belts for any dresses that I think would do with some cinching in at the waist, just to give me a bit of shape, and I really like this design. And I do recommend you do the same. I have a few more videos here on the screen showing you quick and easy scrap busting projects that you can do at home, and I will see you in the next video. All the best. Bye!